These how to 1 minute will show you how to fix the DNS server not responding error. Follow this step-by-step guide to fix this problem. The first solution is click on your search icon and type here control panel and launch control panel app. Here click on network and sharing center and click on change adapter settings, and here you will get your connected internet option. So all you have to need, just right click on the network you are using and click on properties, and here select internet protocol version 4 and make sure to check this box, and now click on properties, and here select use the following DNS server addresses, and here you have to add this DNS server 8888, and in this second box type 884 and 4, and make sure to check this box validate settings upon exit and click on OK. Click on OK, and now click on diagnose this connection. This will fix all of your DNS servers error. After quickly doing it, close all of this window and click on your search icon again, and now type here cmd and open command prompt. Here first of all run this command ipconfig/all and hit enter, and here you will get the list of all configurations. Again click on the search icon and type control panel and open control panel again. Again click on network and sharing center and click on change adapter settings. Right click on your connected internet, click on properties, click on configure and select advanced, and in this property box you have to search for network address. So all you have to need, just select network address, and in this value box you have to type 0 and click on OK, and then restart your computer, and that's how you will be able to solve the DNS server not responding error. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.